I haven't made a video in, how long since I did the lowering kit on this thing. And it's 6 inches of snow out there up here in Canada, Ontario. I figured I'd make a quick video on the quick release system I put on this trunk thing here. This is just one of them $100, $150 eBay, Amazon, just cheap plastic trunks. I've reinforced it with fiberglass though, so this one's pretty solid. Got a little push LED light up there. Batteries are still good. It's all white, it reflects a lot better. Solid. But main thing is it's on a quick detach system from it was meant for a Harley. I don't think it's Harley brand because of the price. The two little clippies that go on the backrest arms were $18, $20 I think. I'll try and find them on my eBay and post a picture of what I'm talking about somewhere. And then the little spoolie guys, it's like, whoop, and then they were 11 maybe for 4 of them. But it did take a bit of fabrication to get them to fit this because the Harley's side plates are an 1/8 inch where the Boulevard's a 1/4 inch. Where to do the pushy, oh, it is a bit of a, there we go. So basically, where your factory holes are, is you measure the size of the inner of the spool, drill the bolt holes out, and then just slice downward and frontward on that one. For some reason, I took the grinder and ground that out to make it thinner, where I should have ground the spool on the bike itself. And I had to grind a little smidge off the side of these guys here to get them to fit in there. And because these are pushed out now, about they're about a 1/4 inch. I had to put 1/4 inch spacers in here because the arms are 1/4 inch out. So instead of them being all bent and twisted up, let's see if I can unhook you here and we'll go for a little walk. Oh, there. So those are the spools there. I had to, like I said, they were 1/8 of an inch. I had to mill them open a bit. I just stuck a bolt through it, a nut, and stuck her in a drill press and leaned on her with a grinder and smoothed her out. That black and the chrome up here is the factory. And then the inside I actually had to add washers just so I wasn't scrubbing the side of this with the release bit. And there's the front one up here. You see she's a little chewed up from putting on and off. But instead of grinding the bejesus out of my side plate like I did, because like I said, it's a 1/4, these are meant for an 1/8 inch side plate. I should have did the same thing, put a nut and a bolt through it, and stuck her in the drill press, and just leaned on this a little with a grinder just to open that slice, that recess spot open more, and then I wouldn't have had to touch my factory side plates. And then the bolts I went through, I just actually, by the time they came in, nobody had them. I can't remember what they were, M12s or something. But I ended up taking a set I found at work, and then the factory ones, I cut the heads off and just welded them together to make them longer. Because now she comes out to here. And yeah, I guess that's about it. Show you that. We can pop the trunk off if you don't want her on there. Basically, the front just goes down in there. And these guys just that one's on. That one's on. It has a little bit of play because, Like I said, the Harley plate has bolts so it can pivot as it comes down over that bolt. But she's on there. Oh, there's my screwdriver. Well, that's pretty much it. I think Jardine made a set of quick release mounts. Like, they were a lot thinner. They were like $150 on eBay for them. Maybe $175. I can't remember. They were expensive though. These, I'm sure these are just knockoff Harley ones. And like I said, they're about $30 for the whole package. And then the longer bolts and a couple of washers on the back side, because the bolt that holds that black quick release piece on hangs out on the inside. So I added a few washers just to clear it from the strut, or whatever you want to call this big chrome fella here. There you can kind of see what's going on there. Hopefully we got enough footage of this shit. There's outside right now. Yes! No. So we're not doing a whole lot of anything. But we did get the trunk color matched. Painted up. Seats are off because I have the battery pulled right now. Got this eBay Batwing fella on there. We've stuck a 12 volt socket in this side, double USB on that side for charging whatnots. It's just a Pyle Marine head unit, Pyle Marine speakers, just cheap eBay stuff. But at 120 kilometers with earplugs in and a halfy helmet, I can hear it just fine. And then color match the old Batwing here. He's all ready to rot. We got a some kind of little antenna fella here for the radio in case it gets sick of my MP3s. And I guess that's about it. I'll edit this up later when I get home, and hopefully I'll have a video to post. Yeah, see you later.